What's up, YouTube? It's Charlie 17 driving in the snow right now. Ain't too long, just got out of work. So yeah, it's like a snowstorm, like a little storm coming through our town. It's a little bit of snow. Ain't too crazy out here. Icy though as heck. So we had the rain first with snow. Ice. As you see, I got ice on here. That's how I'm looking out there. I got my winter tires on, you know, driving in this. Actually, I'm using this. That little snowflake right there. That gives me just the right enough speed to drive so I won't get no slippage. And the bad part is when it's snow like this and the roads and they don't clean it too well or maintain it around here. As you see by coming up with this snow plow right here. Starting with the ham in my hand. Actually on the tripod here. Getting a good look at everything. Cars going by as usual. We out here driving. This car's got me going this speed here. And it's because car in front of me. I mean, it giving me just the right enough speed. So that little device down there does wonders. So I'm pretty much gonna stop as usual. No slipping. You don't see the little light come on or nothing. We stop just as usual because those tires are good. Yeah, like I said, I'm using this here. This little the device Injen while it's snowing. So I always been talking about, like, let me show a video of me using this because it got a different feature on here. So I wanted to show you guys how it works, just not just taking out the lag or anything. Let me keep that back window there, defrost there. You know, I didn't even see. Yeah, I'm gonna be looking out my window here. Up my window. Up my window. Like I said, this snow tire is good. The ones I got is Blizzaks. They're the 245s, 45-20. That's if you got a size rim 20. Pretty sure they got, well, they definitely got other size for different rims. But these are the ones I got on my Charger here. If anybody wanted to know what we're rolling on, you know, people like to know what we got. So gotta tell them. Gotta tell them. You know, it's crazy. Look out my window over here. Roll that window down. Look at that. Look at that. That's everywhere. Looks pretty good. Snowing inside the car. Snowing inside the car. Snowing inside the car. And here we go. No spinning, no spinning. There's enough gas to gas it. Which, and that's pretty dope. You see the speed from coming from a stop. I'm almost like, might as well say I'm doing 30 miles an hour. Pretty much. Got cars turning the wrong turn and all this crap. I'm coming downtown in my city right here. It's Rochester. Let me make this light. Let me make this light. What? Let me make this light. What? Yeah. Come on, people. Come on, people. I know it's bad out here. Charlie 17, y'all. People crossing in front of me, y'all. People crossing in front of me. I don't care. I don't care. Yo, pretty much like all the activities for the kids, school-wise, is all shut down for the day. But yeah, ain't too long, just got out of work. Ran to the store real quick. Like it ain't snowing, so I just ran to the store like it ain't nothing out here. You know, of course I got that tank full, you know, as usual. Not as usual, but always usual. Hanging out the window. Hanging out the window. Hanging out the window. And they got a charger over there. They got a charger at the rental place. They got a charger at the rental place, y'all. That's at a Enterprise downtown. Well, part of downtown. They go show y'all where I live at. No, I'm joking. Charge 17. Show y'all what we doing out here. All right, little car, slow down. I don't know, you don't got no good tires or nothing. Get that little fishtailing going. No spinning, as like I told y'all, no spinning. Roll this window up, cause there's a little nit out here. I mean, look at this. Where the traffic at? When I tell you, when shit is closed around here, car wash. Don't get your car washed right now. Keep it looking good. Keep it looking good. I don't know, sun up here. I'm gonna have to lay low. Put the phone down real quick. I want to get spotted by the po-po. Po-po. I don't know. Maybe somebody turned the corner. Turn the corner right. Let's get a little bit of action here. A little bit of action for the city. A little bit of action for the city. A little bit of action for the city. Yeah. Tell you, I got snow tires. I'll be on this bull crap when I'm driving out here. Oh, come on, guy with the bike. Dude, with the bike. Man, almost hit that motherfucker too. Hit him when the cops back there. What? I'm going up a hill. Look at that. Going up a hill, no spinning. No spinning. I'm coming down the hill though. I gotta be careful. Cause it's like a turn on my ass. Like I said, I like to turn. Tell you, I like to turn. And every time I'm coming down this spot over here, the light always turning. Got that. Cranks of 300. Wherever they are, if they see it, they can subscribe as usual. A couple people around here subscribe when they see me out. Look at that. Coming from a stop. Already doing 30. Woo! I'm telling you, I ain't playing. I ain't playing. I ain't playing out here. We ain't playing out here in the streets. How they saying on training day? King Kong ain't got shit on me. I'll say Snow ain't got shit on Lola. Alright, can't say that though. They get hectic out here. My ass probably stuck for real. Turn these wipers off. These things are hot already. I mean, ain't really nobody out here driving, really. Nobody. There's a little quick vlog of me driving home from this little storm we got here. Hopefully it pass over by tomorrow or something, or later on tonight. Or I'll say by tomorrow, I'll say. I'll be surprised it lasts the next day. Let me see if I get a little. If you guys can hear that. Okay. A little double tap that gas pedal for y'all. So that phone mount the phone and stuff up here to the window. Get better footage. But it's all good. We're getting some live shit right here. truck over here. Oh yeah, these some potholes over here, yo. I know them potholes. All right, y'all. It's Charge 17. Oh, Charge 17. Oh. We hit the corner. Oh. Ooh, my street white. My street white. Oh, my street white. Alright, this is the end of the video, y'all. This Charge 17. Like I said, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to share. And definitely comment at free will. And as you know, I ain't spent nan time the whole way driving. And that's with them snow tires on. That's with them snow tires on. And using this device here, this device right here, Injen, this is the shit right here. Because you got that, you see that snowflake? That's like having a car that can ride in the snow. Basically, that's what it is. Basically. So, yeah, as you see, I got my performance on all that's on here. My air intake reading, pretty good. But that's because it's been warming the car up, but yeah. But yeah, we out. Charge 17. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. Hold on, we're gonna back up. There's a car coming. When I say no spinning, I gotta be backing up real good with this hand here. Y'all probably hear the heat because I'm keeping them windows nice and heated. Uh-oh. Let's get through it. Let's get through it. Yeah. And see my radar right there. I usually turn the car sideways a little. Got the Mrs. car there. And now you see, there was no spinning. You wanna hear that rap? That's when it's in the snow, no snow thing. It don't really give you that good rubbing. So that's how you do it. Take it out. Hold on. That's in normal, like even if this wasn't on, it's basically normal, like if the car was driving itself. It's like eco mode. I got it on 6, so we're gonna hear it different. And that's what we got. I'm gonna show you again. Snowflake. Any button? Let me see. If it was in equal mode, like I'm really gonna drive in that. Boom. Boom. You can definitely hit it from any level there. I'll put it there so when I get back in here later, I'm not sure. And ooh, did I just clean the windows? Hey, we're gonna get out real quick. Where my windows up? Where that window up? Because we are home. We just drove down the street. Could have recorded from earlier, but yeah, we just drove down the street. Got that little steering wheel out. Kind of got these little hood mud crackers, hood motherfuckers up around here. Little crackheads or whatever the hell you call them. Opioid motherfuckers. People be running in the yards and shit. You try to check a car and shit. Let's see. Want to hear that red one more time, y'all? Hear that red. That's a normal. No lie. That's a normal. Sound pretty good at normal. Let me get a good look at that. You see that? It's in normal. All right. Bring my snow brush in because I need that snow brush. Make sure the heat and everything that's here. Make sure when the car turns off. A little air. A little air. A little air from the. There we go. I'm about to show y'all what I got. Of course, I parked extra close today. Doing the blog, I parked close. I don't know why. Still can see Charge 17 through the snow. Look at that. Snow tires. See my snow tracks? My bad boys bite through the snow. Things are gooch. And it's crazy out here. See, look at that. Look at that. Nice paved. Say what up. What up? Look at that. My tracks right there. Bad boys. Things eat. It's good too. Alright, y'all. Have a great day. It's Charge 17. We out to the next blog. Catch everyone.